Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is very exciting because we are going to be unboxing a very exciting box, and it is the BECCA INFLUENSTER Vox box. I am super stoked because I have been wanting to try one of BECCA's Vox box. I know they had their very first Vox box before with INFLUENSTER, but this time I'm getting to try their newest Vox box from BECCA, and I'm going to be showing you guys the stuff inside, and we shall try it on and see how it is. Yeah. So it says on here that the puff, brighten and set for all day. This is the hashtag BECCA Bright Eyes. I did receive this box complimentary from INFLUENSTER for testing purposes. So I'm super excited, super stoked to see the products in here. And it came with 3 of these card here, and it just tells you the different things that came in, and we shall test them out. And let's test them out. And we got 3 cool things in here, so I'm super excited to try them out. I can't wait. So yeah, let's go ahead and try them out. So this is breaking it down from step 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3 different things in here. And the first one is the Deep Puff with anti-fatigue under eye primer. The first one is this one right here. And let's go ahead and open it up. And this looks like it might be the actual full-size product. So it looks like this. Honestly, for me, I feel like this is really small for a full-size product. And it also retails for $32. So that is pretty pricey for me, I feel. But I feel like this is a type of product that will actually last you a while. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's see what this does. It combat signs of fatigue with skin-loving ingredients. It reduces puffiness with caffeine, keeps skin looking healthy with antioxidant, matcha green tea, soothing and cooling with cucumber and kulak. So this is really nice. It looks really cool. I love this aqua looking design. So let's go ahead and try and putting that on our skin. Feels really nice. Really soft, smooth feeling underneath the eyes. Hopefully my tired bags won't look too bad anymore after these products. I am just super happy that I got this because like my under eye is actually one thing that I'm super insecure about because it's just so bad. Like I have really bad bags and dark circles underneath my eyes, so I feel super happy. I feel like hopefully these will help my eyes because my eyes are really bad. So let's go on to the next one, and this is the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector, and that one is this one right here. Design of BECCA's products. This is super cute and sleek, so I really like this design right here. And this is in the medium to deep shade, and I'm not really sure how I feel about that because I feel like it might be a little bit too dark for my skin. For me, usually I prefer the light to medium coverage. But let's just go ahead and see the benefits of this product. It pearls with peachy undertone and neutralizes darkness under and around the eyes. Instantly add light and lift to brighten under the eyes. Backlight technology reflects light to draw attention away from fine lines and wrinkles. Just going to use Morphe M335 brush. Wow, yeah. It's a little bit too dark, I feel, but it should be okay since it's just a corrector. Alright. That's how that one is. I can kind of see that it kind of help a little bit around the eyes, but it was just a little bit too pink, I feel, and Yeah, but I feel like it's not too bad. Just wish it was a little bit lighter, but other than that, I didn't think it was too bad. This is also a full-size jar, and this is also $32. I think all of these are, yeah, all of, oh no, the setting powder is actually $25, but this one is also $32, and it has 0.16 ounce and 4.5 grams. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we shall go into the setting powder. Alright, foundation is on. Let's go ahead and try this under eye setting powder. I like this nice reflective design in the front. Oh, I've got some powder in here already. And try it, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of it on the top of the cover. Techniques brush. Tap that. Definitely gave some brightness underneath my eyes. And I really like it. And let's just go ahead and finish the overall look, and we shall see what I think about all of the products. This is the final look with everything, and I really love the way everything looked. I really liked how everything was. I'm super happy to be able to receive this box, and I love all the packaging. They are full size. This one did retail for $25. No, the setting powder did retail for $25, so that's not really too bad at all. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe before you all leave, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.